Auto inspection service. Things you need to know. In this video you get to know about the auto inspection service briefly and many more related things that help you in auto inspection service. What is an auto inspection service? It is an in-depth examination of each part of the vehicle. Auto inspection service of what? Auto inspection service will have the following: exteriors and interiors of car. The process is about checking whether a car has been through an accident and examine any scratch, dust or parts that need to be repaired. Electrical system of the vehicle. Vehicle electrical system includes checking air condition, switches and performance of each of them. Engine, tires and suspension. It is essential to inspect a vehicle's engine, tires and suspension to ensure the proper working of a car. Inefficiency in any of these will affect the car's performance. Driving test. It is the final check wherein the car's overall performance is checked. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to hire a driving instructor to learn driving like a pro, book one with us now. We don't compromise on your safety and hygiene. Visit us at www.carlearner.com.